Are you wishing to start a business? Or expand your current business? Sounds like it's one of your deepest wishes. And is it taking too much of your time? Are you not being able to pay attention to the minute details of your business that could take it to the next level? Do not worry, introducing Boss Funk, with a mission to provide a solution to all your problems. We perform logo design, logo animation, website design, cinematography, SEO optimization, 2D and 3D animation, template and banner design, boosting your posts on social media, and much more. And the most important reasons for choosing us are great service, easy payment, professional and creative designers, 24/7 support to solve any kind of problem. To learn more, visit our website or contact us directly